weatherizing homes, putting up solar panels, and building wind farms. Clean, green manufacturing. Millions of new jobs that put people to work in their own communities. Millions of new jobs that provide opportunities for people that have been left out of the old economy. That is the promise of a green economy. The story of the video, A New Sound, is really the story of why we have to get involved in Washington, D.C. right now. My name is Phaedra Ellis-Lamkins, and I'm from Green for All. The young girl in the video is not just a young girl in a video. She actually represents hundreds of thousands of children who live across this country in poverty, whose parents make decisions about whether paying their rent or actually being able to provide for their families. There is nothing more critical than people who believe in the promise of a clean energy economy getting involved. There are two key provisions that are in the Senate bill right now. The first, a green construction provision that allows all communities to work on jobs that the government invests in. The second is a provision that guarantees funding for the Green Jobs Act. What we have to do is make sure those provisions are included. And our job is making sure they know there's a group of people that are committed to them being in the bill, and more importantly, a group of people who will take action when they're not. Please take action today. You can do it by going to greenforall.org/action and guarantee that a clean energy economy represents all of us.